In BMWs with iDrive 6, you can easily reset your vehicle's data. You can reset your vehicle's data when in standby mode by going to My Vehicle, iDrive Settings, Data Privacy, Delete Personal Data, and Confirm Delete Personal Data. By deleting all personal data, you reset the vehicle to factory settings. You have to leave and lock your vehicle to complete the resetting process. The system cannot be used for up to 15 minutes. Then it can be restarted by unlocking the vehicle. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.